Hey guys, I know I haven't done a video in my room. So yeah, right now I'm gonna be doing a video. I'm gonna show you guys one of the squishies I just got. So don't mind. My hair, I am sick, so let's put you guys right here. This is a squishy I just got. It's not mine. I get a very stuffy nose. It smells like birthday cake, and let's give it a squish. You can buy these at CVS. At your local CVS or at your faraway CVS. So yeah, it has pink right here, pink, white, and polka dots. I mean sprinkles, which I consistently think it's sprinkles. I mean polka dots. So, and when I got it, I did a bit complain. Cause you got stretch marks. Hold up, guys. It has stretch marks. Look. It's like it has like 2 holes there. Let me focus, and then the bottom was bit, but I can gloss that up a bit. So yeah. Look. So yeah, guys. That's all. I will be doing more squishy video type opening things when I get more. I'm gonna get squishy for my birthday and for Christmas, so get tuned. My birthday is gonna be December 28th, 3 days after Christmas. Bye guys, love you. Comment, no, I can't say it today. Subscribe, comment, share. Peace guys, love you.